Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GLMR. As in my earlier video that I was showing you that recently GLMR has broken out another quite long-term down channel, and this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout the price and has also broken out this resistance of 18.35 cents as well. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 18.35 cents had been previously working as support here for a few weeks, and now after the breakdown it was flipped into a resistance, and you can see that for the past several days it was getting rejected by this resistance here, almost here and here as well. And now after the breakout the price and is retesting this previous resistance of 18.3 cents as a support. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GLMR that I shared a few days ago on 16th of September 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 25% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, I'm going to begin with my most recent trade signal for GLMR that I shared on 16th of September 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that GLMR, not a shark pattern, this was a butterfly move that GLMR completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has produced almost 25% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of GLMR. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that since after the month of March 2024, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce and rejection. And this was the last rejection that was happening here on 14th of September. And finally, we have broken out the resistance of this channel. And now we have also broken out this long-term resistance of 18.35 cents as well. That was previously working as support here for several days or weeks. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. We got rejections here, several rejections, and almost a few more rejections here as well. And now if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this channel, that is, by the way, here at the top of the channel, approximately at 60 cents. Now, if we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that such a quite similar channel we broke out here in the month of October 2023. Then we had a nice pump, but from 55 cents to 64 cents. We have a quite long-term resistance zone that had been previously working as a support zone here. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. We got rejection here, and rejection here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong and long-term resistance zone. And now after the breakout from this channel, the target is inside this resistance zone at 60 cents, because this resistance zone starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. And now if the price and after the breakout from this channel, if breaks out this resistance zone as well, then it will be flipped into a long-term support zone, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.